Welcome to FM Driving School. Some call me the professor of driving, but we're not here to rob a bank. But what I can give you is something more valuable than money, and that is time. We've compressed everything you need to know about driving into 1-minute video clips. We'll give you tips on driving, how to pass your driving test, what the examiner looks out for, how you should be driving. Don't forget to show some love, like it, share it and subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Camera's interior right, indicate, brake, clutch goes down, go down to gear 2, taking the 4th exit. So it looks clear to go. There's no road markings. I'm just going to stay on the inside. Indicate again, it's come off. Count 1, 2, there's 3. After 3, check my mirrors. Interior left, indicate, move across. Don't forget, if the indicator comes off, put it back on. Here what I want you to understand is we're taking the 4th exit on the roundabout. Now the road markings are faded away, but we stick to the inside lane, the right sides. We do our mirror signal, position, speed and lurk, but the road markings are now faded away in the center of the roundabout. A lot of students, they tend to drift across to the center or even the far left, which is a major fault. I'm running out of time, but the main thing is stick to the inside. If you're taking the 3rd or 4th exit, don't drift across to the left. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share it, and make sure you stick to the inside lane if there's no road markings. I'm cheating a little bit because I want you to pass, but make sure you stick to the inside. Thank you again. Take care.